Money has a price. When you borrow it, you pay for the privilege. When you save it, the bank pays you to use it. That price is called interest. Today, we're decoding the foundational concept, simple interest, which is calculated only on the original amount you borrow or invest. The formula is your key. I equals PRT. I is the interest earned or paid. P is the principal, the starting cash. R is the annual rate, and T is the time. But here's the #1 rule. Time is always in years. A loan for 6 months isn't 6 in the formula, it's 0.5. A loan for 9 months is 0.75. Get that right and the rest is straightforward. Once you have the interest, you find the total amount to repay by adding it back to the principal. A $1,000 loan with $50 of interest means you pay back $1,050. So where does this show up? Think about buying a laptop. Paying $1,000 cash is one option, but another is a higher purchase plan, a $200 deposit, then $40 a month for 2 years. That seems manageable, right? But let's do the math. $40 times 24 months is $960. Add your $200 deposit, and the laptop just cost you $1,160. That extra $160 is the simple interest, the hidden cost of borrowing. And this formula is a two-way street. You can rearrange it to work backwards. If you know the interest earned, you can uncover the secret interest rate on an investment, or calculate exactly how long it'll take for your savings to hit a specific goal. Ultimately, I equals PRT isn't just a formula from a textbook. It's the basic operating system for loans and savings. Understanding it is the first real step towards financial literacy, to making your money work for you, not the other way around.